So if I remember correct, whenever I did it, if you just stand in the middle like this, and you just shoot one, you should be able to survive. Yeah. I think. Oh, dang it. So that doesn't work. We're too fast. Crap. And I lost my bow already. And I'm dead. This is going great. There's also a mining area. What? You have to show me that if we survive this. Can I buy a new bow? 15. Equipped. Okay, here we go. Hopefully this thing does more damage. Oh, that's cool. So the fire arrow can hit the one and the ones nearby. Okay. Of course we lost. What do you expect? Neither of us know what we're doing. So what's in there? In the little tunnel thing? Mine? I went in there and I got teleported to a whole different game when last time I went in there. Yeah, exactly. To a different game. And it took a while. Dude, that means the fine of it. This dude's just spamming bricks. Annoying. Or am I lagging? Crap. So I'm going to build a big old wall right here. And then I'm going to try that trick where if you stand in one spot and shoot them, you should be able to make it just right on through. And then I'm going to double layer your area with another wall. Hope this works. So yeah, for anyone wondering where the third is, he's out of town, sadly. Sucks, but it is what it is. So it's just me and Elle today. We were going to try to get someone else in, but it just didn't work. Unfortunately. We were also supposed to do a live stream. That didn't work either. So, fun. So we'll keep working on the live stream, and one of these days we'll go live for you guys. Double layered. We're gonna stand right here and try to shoot one of those. Yeah, shoot the one I'm shooting now. Yeah, everyone's gonna shoot that one. That'll work. You just gotta line it up. Drop a bomb there. And falling back to the first wall. Looks like that tower over there is gone. Fire arrow, go. They're about to breach this wall. Oh, they already did. No, we're gonna go through this wall. Then up, I lost my bow. That can no longer be of contribution. And I don't want to die, so I'm gonna go chill up here and watch as you guys do the work. So my bow's gone. Can I afford the next one? I can't. Yeah, so that wall didn't last long either. From the looks of it, the big pillar that was built up there did. So, L, that's what we're gonna do next time. We're gonna build a big old pillar like that. I don't know how this works, but it does. Alright, come on. Dang, that's a lot. Oh, crap. And just watch as L got evaporated. Just one stupid slime thing left. For anyone watching that's new, we don't really care for the money or the subscriber count. We're just doing it for the hell of it. But if you could like and subscribe, that would make us feel better and motivate us to do this more. So yay. I am the one person who survived. Now I need to reset so I can get another arm. Arrow 4, equip. I don't know what these arrows do, but hopefully each of them give me different damage. So what that person did last time was they got bases like this. Let's see if I can do it again. And they just built onto it. Yeah, something like this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start outlining your wall with spiky boards. These things take so long to make. So I'll just do them like that and then. Yeah, if there's someone there or something in the way, you can't place the wall, and I think that's what's happening to you right now, Al. No? Okay. I'm just gonna place these things in random spots. Oh, he's trying to make it perfect. Did you mess up? Oh no, someone put this thing in the way. Give me some more spiky boards. Hopefully, if we just place these in random areas, they'll just run into it and die, and this should help us out. Hopefully. Oh, for anyone watching, DM me on Discord. We're looking for a creative director. Their goal basically is to find games for us to play and make sure our content is up to par with what we want it to be. So anyone watching this, DM me on Discord, and we're trying to get it worked out. Or L, but not Skip, because he picks anyone. I am missing every single shot. So yeah, the spikes they're not working as we wanted them to. That's not good. L, I would get back here if I were you. L, you're gonna die again. He slimes up a lot of HP. Jesus Christ. How are you still alive up there? Oh, there he goes. Nope. Right. Dang it. These slimes instantly kill you. But it is what it is. These things have a lot of HP too. Boom. Yeah, Googly Pops is probably gonna get killed up there. Also, we have some big things planned in the future, so it would be nice if you could stick around with us for a little bit. Because at 100 subs, we have planned for L to do a voice reveal. And we're also going to do a Q&A at 100. And at 200, or in 3 months, I'll try to find all the best moments that we've had and put them all in one montage video. And then we might even start messing around with Twitch. That's just future plans. Did you survive that round, or did you get killed? No. Oh, he won it. Alright, good. Yeah, I was about to say, I don't know how though. So I'm going to put a little barricade right here. You'll see what I'm doing whenever it's done. For anyone with OCD, I apologize for my amazing building skills. That's totally in a straight line. See? I'm going to try to triple layer this. That's the plan at least. Al, can you come and start putting spikes on the outside of this, or defensive walls? So that way we can be a little more secured. Definitely going to want to secure this. Now my only fear is slimes are getting through this way. It doesn't, oh, because you're probably at max bricks then. What I'm going to do after I triple layer this is put some defensive walls back here in case they try to get in from over there. So we got triple layer in the front, and we're going to have a defense wall in the back. I think I'm at max. Nope, there it is. I think we have to be like a certain amount away from each other. We've got a turret. If you know how to use it, go for it. I don't know how to use them, so. I know I can, I just don't know how to use them. Alright, this seems like a good sturdy defense. And it's a little bit of a trick. I'm going to place a bomb in there. Fire arrow. Fire it. Die, miss. Crap. UFOs. Uh-oh. That's not good. I didn't know they flew. You didn't tell me they fly now. One wall. Dang. That did not take long. They're about to breach the defensive wall layer. Holy crap. And they're about to reach the first layer, and the turrets are already done for. They're already dead. Alright, they're about to reach the third layer already. The wall did not hold up. Not even 30 seconds. UFO. Shit. I'm trying to avoid the UFOs most of all. I don't really care as much about the slimes as much as I do for the UFOs. Fire arrow, go. Crap. Dang it. God dang it. So I'm going to end this off here. I'll see you guys in tomorrow's, which will be Thursday, because we're recording this on Tuesday. It's complicated, whatever.
See the tears in your eyes, and I feel so happy.